Hello, pathophysiology students. So next week, week 7 is our midterm. So I wanted to go over with you some of the things related to the midterm so you come in fully prepared to class. All right, so first things first, check out my screen. Again, week 7 is midterm. It is going to cover chapters 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, 14, 16, 20, and 21. That's in numerical order, not the order we covered. For example, we just covered chapter 10 last week. All of these chapters are what you are responsible for the midterm, okay? You will have 150 minutes. That is 2.5 hours. That is the full class time. You come in, you get set up. I will open up the exam. I will give you the password for the exam. And then you get rolling. You have the entire class to work on it. The exam will be presented all at once, not one question at a time. You have the option to flag questions and go back. So one of the things I want you to keep in mind is that I will be walking around the room, and I also have the ability to monitor what's called the event log. As you take the test, I can tell if you are clicking outside of the browser. If you click outside of the browser, that is considered cheating. If you have instant messaging or something like that open on your computer at the time and you get a message and you just click it to close it, that is considered clicking outside the browser. So I'm going to suggest to you that you only have Canvas open, you only have the exam open, and everything else is closed up nice and tight, because it will appear as cheating and it will be treated as such. Again, this exam is taken in class, so bring your devices. So here, again, take it in class. You cannot take it at home. I will have power strips, but I'm only going to have a couple power strips. So you need to make sure that your computers are fully charged, or if for some reason you need to sit by a plug because of a bad battery, you need to get to class early to make sure that you have that prime seat. If you see any issues with this, I need to know before class. And I'm not talking about 10 minutes before class. I really need to know well in advance. I want you guys to do well. I want you guys to be well prepared. So, being that I want you guys to be well prepared, I'm going to show you this. This is the study guide that comes with your book. So if you already purchased your book, that's fine. Please disregard. But I did say I would make this available to everyone. So I have scanned the pages that are relevant to the class, things that you would want maybe to look at studying. This is purely optional. This is nothing that you have to do. There is no requirement to turn this in. In fact, I don't want this turned in. But these are things that are all what's considered quote unquote fair game. What I'm going to do is this video is going to be linked in an announcement, and I'm going to remind everybody via Canvas message that this announcement exists, and I'm going to attach that study guide to the same announcement. So it is there, it is optional, it is for you. So please let me know if you have any other questions. In addition to next week, you will be getting a couple of assignments introduced. Nothing is due next week outside of the midterm. There is no discussion board. There's no case study. I want you all to focus on getting ready for the midterm, and then I want you guys to take a few days and just relax. Because in week 8, we are picking back up with full steam ahead with some good assignments that we have to start getting in, some bigger projects worth bigger amounts of points. So please hang in there and email me questions. If you're studying this weekend and you're just confused about a process, send me an email. I am available to help you, to help clarify. And I can even try to send you infographics or videos, things that I think are pretty helpful for study. So I can't send you videos for the entire book. But if you have very specific questions, just lob them at me. I'm here for you guys. I want you all to do well. All right? Have a good rest of your week. I'll see you guys in class.